you must be able to see. The question is ego the opposite of true self? Whenever something has an opposite, it means that the thing itself is dependent on its opposite. Black has its opposite as white. That means that there can be no black without white. You will not be able to identify black if there is only black. Black can be identified only against a background of white. Black is dependent upon white for its existence. If there is no night, there would be nothing called day either. You know the day only because there is a night. If there is only day, you will not be able to even call it day. Are you getting it? Day is dependent upon night. This is called the world of duality, where nothing is independent of each other. Where nothing is independent of each other and everything is dependent upon its opposite. And everything is dependent upon its opposite. Are you getting it? You can identify darkness only because you know light. Most of us think that blind people experience darkness always. They don't even experience darkness because they have never known light. They don't even experience darkness. To experience darkness, you must have experienced light. This is called duality, where opposites depend upon each other for their existence. Are you getting it? The true has no opposite. The true has no opposite. The true has no opposite.
Why do you say false?
False means that which is not. False means that which is not, which is just an illusion. It is not there, it is an illusion. So for example, dreams are false. Truth has no opposite. False is not the opposite of truth. Wrong is the opposite of right, and that is correct, alright. Wrong is the opposite of right. But false is not the opposite of truth. False means that I cannot see the truth. The inability to see the truth is called falseness. Truth cannot have an opposite. Truth can only have somebody not realizing it. Please appreciate this. There is the sun, and if you cannot see the sun, does that mean that there is darkness? Does that mean that there is darkness? Rohan. If you cannot see the sun, does that mean that there is darkness? That only means that you are unable to see the sun. Light always is. Similarly, truth always is. It is just you who cannot look at it. And that situation is called the situation of falseness. That situation is called the situation of falseness. Falseness does not mean the absence of truth. Falseness does not mean the opposite of truth. Falseness is your incapacity to find out the truth. The sun has not gone away. Light is there. You can't see. And Drishti must see. Are you getting it? So the true self has no opposite. It's just that you could be living in illusions, and that is what is called falseness. That is what is called a dream. It's unreal, imaginary. You are what you are, but you may believe yourself to be something else. That is called false. That is called ego. That is what is personality. And it is false. Not an opposite of your true self. Because you are what you are. There can be no opposite to that. It's just that you are believing yourself to be something else. That is called a falseness. A falseness, an unreality. Getting it? Yes.